All right, so now you would have downloaded CorelDraw via Software Center, and now we're going to look at setting up CorelDraw. So obviously you wouldn't have some of these things here, but we've got new document. So we'd be opening up our new document. Let's just say yes to what it looks like. And there's a few things that we need to set as a default when we're going to use the school's laser. So what we need to do is go up here to Tools, and we look at Color Management. Now the laser needs to draw in RGB. So most likely when you set yours up, it'll be set to CMYK. So if we go to our default settings, which is across the top, it's got CMYK, which we need to change. So we're going to go to RGB. We need to change that LCD color engine to none, and we want to get rid of where it says map gray to CMYK black. So RGB none, and then untick that. That's the first thing that we need to do. So once we have done that, we're going across the top, we go to Windows, and we need to go all the way down and find Dockers. Now when it goes to Dockers on across here, it's actually already selected on mine, so I'll do that again. Windows, Dockers, and we've got object styles. That will open up this little dialog box here. So we've got default object properties. Double click on that, and we need to scroll down a little bit and find the word graphic. So when it comes to Corel, we need to always we want to draw red because red is cut. So we can click on this now, RGB red, and if we go to the drag that to the opposite corner, 255 0, and that needs to also say 0. That's the color code for RGB red, which is actually what the laser and the driver is looking for. It also needs to be set to hairline. It's always good to be on millimeters. Since we are in Australia, it might be something else. So we've got red, hairline, millimeters. That's what that needs to look like. Now, once we've done that, that little box there says import, export, or save defaults. Obviously, this is our new save default. Click on that, and we need to set that as our new document default. And that's the default object properties. Excellent there. Now, if we scroll our way up, we want to look at artistic text. And so let's change that left justification to make it the center. That's always best when we're typing. Have that turn out in the center. Makes our life a bit easier. Again, click on the default as set as new document default. And yes, that's what we're after. So we've now set our line thickness. If I draw a little rectangle, it's now red and hairline. That's exactly what we need that to be. So we can delete that. Now what we'll also see across the top here, click on the pick tool, which is just a black arrow. We're going to work in landscape, and we're actually going to make it custom. Our laser size is 1000. Press the tab key by 600. Not 6000. And then when you press enter on that and we scroll out a bit, that's the full size of our laser bed. So once you have all of that set up, let's go file and let's save that as a template. Now I've already made my template. It's called Speedy 400, and that's the type of laser that the school has. So let's go save that. Obviously, yep, I'll replace what I've already saved, and you'll have that there as well. All right, so we've now set up CorelDraw, and we're ready to start drawing, designing, and send our products to the laser.